The next feature we have here is Pay a Friend. This allows you to send funds to anyone with a mobile phone or email address. Under the Payee section, you can keep a list of contacts. To initiate a payment, select Make a Payment. Here, you can enter the amount you wish to send and set up a security question and answer. This will go to the recipient. The funds will only be transferred if the recipient answers the security question correctly. Once they answer the question correctly, they will be prompted to enter their own account information in order to receive the funds.